Hi guys, so this is my second try of shooting today. It's a bit more decent than yesterday. I don't know what's happening. There's something wrong with my video quality or something, and um, the output is a lot lesser than what I record, so it just keeps cutting at the end. But anyways, we're gonna start. And also the reason why I'm wearing this hat is because I haven't showered yet, and my hair is a bit messy, so please bear with me. Yeah, today we're going to explore the concept of prefix sum. So what is a prefix sum? It's a way of mm, it's a way to easily calculate the elements, the sum of the elements in the subarray, um, and how they usually use it is by defining the index of the prefix sum, and we're calculating until the ith element, all the sum of the subarray. So what does it mean by sum of the subarray? So let's say that there's a um, array or a list with 5 elements, and we want to have the prefix sum of 3. So it's going to be until the fourth element, right? So because it's with index 3. So this, when we just put it as a prefix sum array, it's the first element will be same as the original array. And then we add this 2 up, so it's going to be 5. We add this 2 up, and it's going to be 10. Add up, and then it's going to be 12. Add up until 13. So it's the sum of the subarray until that specific element. So if we see the prefix sum of 3 now, we can see that 0, 1, 2, 3, it's going to be 12, right? Because it's the sum of the elements until this fourth element, or index 3. So that's basically the concept of prefix sum. How you usually use it is, um, let's say that you want to find the sum of the subarray between ith element and jth element. So that would be prefix sum of jth element. You have to minus it by the prefix sum of I, right? Nope, that's wrong. Because if we do I, then we are deducting the elements until the ith element. We have to deduct the elements until the I minus 1 element to include that ith element, right, in that sum of the subarray between I and j. So this has to be I minus 1 instead of I. And that's how we calculate the sum of the subarray between I and j. Now we're going to do the real problem. It's going to be an easy one. Let's see. And hopefully my video doesn't cut this time. And if it cuts, I'm not going to re-record it. I'm just going to put it on the description what the solution is. Okay, so the question is asking you to define a running sum of array, which is exactly what a prefix sum is, and we have explained just now. So how we started is by initializing or preprocessing by making a prefix sum, right? So that will be uh, prefix sum equals 0. Yeah, we're filling the array with um, the zeros with the same length as nums. So we're expanding the nums, initializing the nums, the prefix sum, I mean. So now what we do is we set the first element of the prefix sum as the same as the original nums. Um, I already explained the reason before, so that will be prefix sum equals none. 0 equals the nums, 0th element of the nums. Now we successfully made the prefix sum. Now we have to iterate through the array starting from the which element do we have to start from? So, from the second element, right? So I in range 1, 2, and nums. And now we have to calculate the running sum at each position. So that will be prefix sum I is equal to prefix sum. We're not including the exact ith element before that, right? We have to start from before that. So that would be I minus 1 plus the nums, ith element of the nums, because we're keep adding the elements from the original nums array to add the running sum and over again. So that will be, hopefully this works. I didn't do anything wrong. I know that there's a hotkey for this, but oh yeah, it worked. But every time I try to control enter, it always submits for some reason. But anyways, this is what we get: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you add 1 to 1, 1, 2, 2 to 1, 3, 3 to 1, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we get it. Next case, yeah, all correct. So that's it for today. Quick one, just going through